So this is a raycast without any errors. There is a new way to do it. I was doing it in a very old way, and that's why the errors were happening. So you can see my enemy is here, and you can see in the top view that his sensor is pointed in the front. Okay, you can have it right. I'll show you in the code. Now if I come in front of him, he detects me and then he starts chasing me. Okay,
So once you get to that line,
then he's chasing me
until you die or whatever.
Yeah, I can set another variable. Basically what's happening is, if I show you in the script, this raycast, okay, this object, this whenever the ray is cast, if it's true, if it actually collides with me, then I've put a variable called follow true, and if follow is true, it keeps chasing me. So I can also have follow false. So if the distance between me and the enemy is 10, if I outrun him, then he stops chasing me. So I can do that as well. But generally I wanted to show you the principle of the ray. So you can have objects casting rays. So the ray, this time I've used forward. So you can say transform.forward, transform.right, and transform.up. Now if you want back, to do back, all you have to do is minus transform.forward. So you got to do these. Okay, you have to do these things. So you can see now it's going back. So there's only forward, up and right, but you can do minus up, minus forward, and minus right to get. So you can actually have more than one ray, detecting enemies at the back, detecting enemies in the front. So now if I actually go behind him like this, there, he turns around and starts chasing me. Okay, so this is a small sample script for Raycast if you like. Ray is a data type. We have a thug ray. That's just to give the ray a color so we can see it here. So if you see thug, that's just the public thing. And just bear in mind, you got to put the alpha high up here, otherwise you don't see the ray. Ray hit is the raycast. That is actually part of the physics that detects whether the line has touched something. It has touched a collider. If it has touched a collider, you can do some things. So I've said follow true, and I've said if follow true, put the nav mesh agent into action. And these were the previous scripts that we did in the nav mesh agent exercise. Okay, so that's raycasting, and that was specially for